Hey, you're looking for a really good pair of boots, waterproof boots? I got something for you here. These are great. These are if you're walking, say you're walking in where it's really wet conditions, muddy conditions, you might be hunting. Sure, that's the first thing I think about when I'm putting shoes on. How much padding do I have on my heel? Because, you know, if you're on your feet a long time, you're gonna get very uncomfortable. So really think these are comfortable. These are great. You can wear these in lots of different conditions. I'm definitely gonna wear these when I'm hunting or fishing, taking the dogs out in muddy conditions. Glad to have these, and I'm gonna continue to wear these. I was given these in return for a review. You might be even walking the dog. There's nothing worse than getting your feet wet. I've got that situation before where you're just like, it's raining and most of your body's dry, but your feet are getting wet, your socks are getting wet, and it's awful. That's why I'm glad to have these right here. These are very comfortable, first of all, a lot of padding, good grips here as well. So it's gonna allow you to walk, whether it's water, rocks, grass, dirt, whatever it is, you're gonna be able to have good grip. These are made of neoprene as well, so it can keep it waterproof. And you have rubber here, rubber bottoms here. And then inside you have really nice padding as well. So I really like these. The size I ordered fits really well. I've got jeans on right here, but you can wear these with shorts wherever you want to. They're very comfortable. I can feel the padding on my heel for sure.